We are made of particles that have existed since the universe began. I like to think those atoms traveled 14 billion years through time and space to create us, so that we could be together and make each other whole.
Yuyan, Jingyue, here we are at your wedding.
So on the day that I met you, God called me to be a girlfriend. And I'm so thankful that He gave me such a perfect man. I fall a little bit more in love with you every day. In you, I have found my soulmate, my best friend, my partner, and my safe place.
I want you to look at each other, think about where your lives are going to be 5 years from now. What's going to change 10 years from now? Can you picture your future 30 years from now?
The funny thing about time is people always say that you have to wait until the time is right. But I think that's wrong. Because there's only one person in charge of time, and that's the Lord of God. Under His control, there's only perfect timing. There's no such thing as bad timing.
Think about this moment and think about everything you have been through to get here. Feel the touch of each other's hands. How does the snow feel under your shoes? Can you feel that chilly winter air? Most importantly, can you feel your heart beating inside your chest?
I promise I will encourage you, trust and respect you. I'll create a lovely home with you. I'll raise a family with you. I'll share my dreams with you. I'll grow old with you. And I promise I will love you forever.
Hearts worth falling for. Oh, and with open arms I'll carry yours.
So today, I'll make this vow to you. I will encourage you, trust, and respect you. I will create a home with you full of laughter and compassion. I will share all my dreams with you. I will raise a family with you, and I will grow old with you. I love you.
And I'll be there when you need me. You can count on it every time. It won't always be easy, but just as sure as the sun will rise. I'll be there when you need me, with every tear that falls from your eyes. Oh, you have me completely. I'll be there when you need me.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss. Congratulations!